Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing some demon brackets and some D-rings on this 2021 Toyota Tacoma. I do not know if this mod works on 2nd generation Tacomas, but I do know this works on all 3rd generation Tacomas, which is 2016 through 2021. Let's go ahead and open this box. I ordered this through a third-party seller on Amazon, but it is an AMI demon bracket set. And over to the side here I have 3/4 inch shackles from either Aught Match or Aught Mock. I bought it on Amazon as well. As you can see, the box is in rough shape. Unfortunately, this is an indicator of the shape that the brackets are in. I don't know if they were shipped out this way or if this happened during shipping, but I'm going to install them for the sake of the video, but I am going to uninstall them to go ahead and do some touch-up paint so they don't rust. All you'll need for this install is the brackets, the shackles, washers, and a 17mm socket with a ratchet. Go ahead and remove your first 17mm bolt. Now install your demon bracket utilizing the factory hardware 17mm bolt in the same hole you removed it from. On the passenger side, there's two 17mm bolts that hold in the factory recovery point. There's a third 17mm bolt to the side that will also need to be removed. You will not be reusing this factory recovery point. When installing the passenger side demon bracket, utilize the hole that was not used for the factory recovery point. Now we can move on to installing the shackles. I used one washer on either side of the shackle, but if you want a tighter fit, I believe you can fit 3 with having 2 on one side and 1 on the other. Repeat this process on both sides and there you go, a quick and easy mod. Thank you for watching.